How to prevent fertilizer buildup on your equipment with a rebounder and straight shot from Schaffert Manufacturing. A problem on your drill will be that their standard fertilizer tube can leak fertilizer in between the discs and on the press wheels, causing problems.
Okay, go ahead. Pull her out. Took the bolt out. All right.
You can see all that fertilizer buildup on the equipment here. Schaffert Manufacturing has a solution that'll fix this problem and comes with many other benefits. You can replace your crusted old fertilizer tube with a rebounder seat cover and straight shot fertilizer attachment. The rebounder will put all your seeds in the bottom of the furrow, and that straight shot fertilizer attachment will then place your liquid fertilizer directly on top of your seeds, keeping it off of your equipment and keeping the fertilizer down in the bottom of the furrow rather than between your discs and on your press wheels. To replace your crusted old tube or install it all new from Schaffert Manufacturing.